No, no, thank you. Welcome back to Igbo Language Simplified. Taa, ihe anyị chọrọ ịmụta bụ ndị okwu bidoro na hi, hi, ndị okwu bidoro na hi, ngwanụ. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter na Igbo is helicopter in English. Is the same pronunciation, helicopter, but different spelling. He, helicopter. I hope you are following. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. The same pronunciation with the English helicopter. Helicopter. Hammer. Hammer is hammer in English. The same pronunciation too, but different spelling. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Try and say it after me. Hammer, hammer. Happen, happen, happen means to leave. Happen or poor. Happen, happen, to leave. Ọ hapụgo ha, he has left them. Hapụ, hapụ. Ọ hapụgo, he has left. Hapụ or she has left. Ha, ha means they in Igbo. Ha. Try and repeat those words after me so that you can master them. Ha, ha, ha means they. Ha, ha, they. Ha, they. Ho, ho means to roast something. Ho anụ ahụ. Roast the meat. Ho, ho. I hope you get that. Ho, ho, ho ji ahụ. Ho, ho means to roast. Thank you for listening. Please like and share.